Oh, made it up here in the mountains. Got the general with us. So a little bit of a view out that way. A little bit of snow up here. The snow kind of sucks. It's literally just ice, but got my dad out there attempting to blaze a trail for the tubes. Not extreme yet? Oh geez, that's deep. That's real deep right here. Dang. Look at that man go. Oh shit. Not extreme yet. You have to start up here?
No, we're just below where you're at.
Oh.
Just over there.
Alright, what do we got to do?
You're about to go extreme.
Yes, sir, yeah. Oh, shoot. Ah. Oh. Whew. Oh, shit, we ate it. Whew. She's sending it.
Jesus Christ.
All right, run number 2. Start off slow. Hit the bank. Bank out of it. Whoop! 360. To back to the 180. Woo! Oh no! Oh, we're going. We're going. 3, 2, 1, go!
What the hell is that?
He's going for it. He's going for it. Yeah. Anyway, I think our goal is to be able to do a full run down the hill, down the road. Oh shoot. I'm gonna be honest, I think it's because the mullet's not done up right now. If the mullet was done up, we'd be going faster. He's chilling though. Well, I'm going. Oh, wait. Don't worry, we're getting there. There we go. Woo. Woo. So far we make it. Oh, shoot. This is not carving in as well as I'd hoped. Oh, shoot, he's coming. You said you got a leak?
Got a leak somewhere.
Oh, shoot, no. No, man. Not enough carnage out here either. We had one small hit. My tube's holding up well though. Oh. But what's that? Okay. This is the worst part, is the trudge up the hill. Ready? Yep. Oh shoot! Ah! Ah! We're gonna eat it. Dude, I'm gonna eat it. Oh shoot. Come on. Stay in the groove. Stay in the groove. Woo. Staying in the groove. You can go farther. We're going farther. Oh, we made it a ways. We started way the hell over there. We made it way down here. Woo. Here's a nice little thought though. Look at this sky. So pretty. You just sit there and stare at that for hours. You know, fast as the clouds are moving. Alright, gotta take a little break. Air back up the tubes. We're gonna get a great run this time, right?
You're about to go extreme.
About to go extreme. Yup. Oh shoot. Ah! Yeah. sideways again. Oh. We keep, oh no! We wiped out! Oh shoot, dude. Alright, it's your turn. Or absolutely send you. Alright, go. He lost a lot of speed. He's not making it very far. Oh! Oh shoot. Oh, we're going for it. We're going for it. We're going for it. We're going for it. Fast these clouds are. You gonna go for another?
Huh?
You gonna go for another?
No.
You're done?
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Oh shoot, dude. Another one down.
You got any more in you, better get it done.
Better get it done, huh?
Be up here on start.
That's fair. Well, we'll get one more run. Probably not a PO.